So we're gonna do something that a lot of people have been asking me. Got something stuck on my shoe. Yeah, you know, honestly, I've been wearing shoes. It's so bright, and I just got outside. I'm dying. But let me go back over here to the darkness. A lot of you guys have been asking me. There's too many Mustangs in front of this house. A lot of you guys have been asking me, what's the car like now that it's pretty much straight pipe. Now that I have the ISR exhaust and all these things, but I never really took the time to film that video. But today I'm gonna do that for you. So the car has ISR exhaust all the way and non-resonated, and I cut out the resonator on the catback exhaust. It's just pretty much free flowing. I'm gonna explain to you why you may or may not want to do this, because I really feel like this is for a certain group of people or someone who just really does not mind. But yeah, so here we go. It's gonna be me, which by the way, my name is Noir.TM. If you don't already understand, if you already know, Ray from Noir.TM, and this is my beautiful girl, Mari TV, Marisol. If you guys don't already know, just subscribe to her YouTube channel. It is also, I know, right? I am. I'm wearing my damn Daniels. Look how white they are. I wish my teeth were this white instead of so yellow. Whatever. The car, I get this, you know, hold on, wait. Gotta be a gentleman. Can't let her open the car by herself. Get in there. Get in there. All right, now that I kidnapped her, let's go.
So where are we going?
You like that? You like that cold start?
Yeah.
What? How did it go again? Okay. All right, we're in the car. I'm gonna switch over to GoPro. We're in. I already have ISR exhaust. It's test pipes, ISR white pipe, ISR mid pipe. I cut out the resonator, ISR exhaust. It's ISR everything. I don't understand how I get bird crap on my car. It's like, I feel like birds just looked at my car and they're like, we're gonna get the shiny one right there, right freaking there. You see it? You guys have been DMing me on Instagram and asking me like, is it worth it? And I can tell you right now, yeah and no. And I hate to like do that 50-50 kind of thing that I kind of always do, but it's just, I always like to be very honest with you guys. If you're trying to get the most gains out of your car, it's just all about performance, then this might have to be the route you take, because obviously you don't want to restrict airflow at all. That's what's going to make you gain power, especially out of the VQ engine, well, VQs in general. There's a lot of restriction in the exhaust system. That's why we gain so much horsepower whenever whatever they straight pipe the car in general. Would I go back and change how I did things? Probably. I probably would have been better off getting ARC pipes instead of test pipes. But the biggest problem are the test pipes, because ever since I installed these, it's just been raspy. I guess that's the best way I can put it. Like, let's see if I can. Wait. Will it do it? Oh, come on. Between 2000, let's see throwing up because I hate that raspy noise. It's always around 2,000, 3,000 RPMs. How do you feel about it? Why? Because we can't have conversations anymore? Yeah. Yeah, and that's the thing, whenever I'm on the phone now, and I even have it plugged into my speaker and all that, bro, I have to put the volume up almost like at 23 just to have a solid conversation. It's really annoying. The one thing that I do like about the straight pipe is how it sounds at wide open throttle. Yeah. You wide open throttle sounds amazing. There are a lot of fun aspects to the car now, and especially after being tuned and having the flame map and all that, like the straight pipe actually sounds sick, and doing like little tunnel runs, it sounds great. Like this is the best I can do right now for a tunnel, so let's see. I just love it. I like how you covered your ears as if like your ears are gonna bleed. Poor people behind us, they're the ones that are gonna... that wasn't even as loud as a backfire as it could have been. Straight piping your car is worth it in a sense that when you want pure performance, okay, but you have to understand that if you're gonna sacrifice your ears for performance, then you're gonna have to accept that. I don't know if having the art pipes would make me lose a little bit of power. I know they are a little bit heavier, but not by much, so I don't know. Like, I'm thinking of purchasing them and seeing if there's a difference on the dyno and all that, just doing real tests. But I'll tell you right now, my car will sound a lot better with art pipes. It'll sound a lot deeper. I can actually talk to you on the phone. I just don't know. That would be nice, because yeah, phone conversations are crucial right now. So I was doing another tunnel run. You down for another tunnel run? Oh, is someone... Oh, Lambo, random Lambo. Yeah, Lamborghini, you're excited for some inflatables. It's just too fun. Don't give me that look. It's just too fun. Nah. Is there a cop there? Oh, well, I'm gonna book it. I'm gonna hit that Don Toretto real quick. So I guess would I recommend straight piping your car? Yes. Even though it might sound obnoxious and raspy at times, especially between 2,000 to 3,000 RPM. Dude, I love it. Like, I have so much fun with the car. You can ask her. Like, I'm always doing so much dumb crap now. Like, get out the way! It's just the whole, I'm sorry, you're getting a little brief taste of my road rage. Come on, how are we going 15 miles per hour right now? Like, come on, what's going on? What's going on? My car's not necessarily fast, but the fact that it sounds loud, it makes it more fun. I guess that's the best way to put it. It just makes it feel more crazy than I guess than it actually is. I don't know, it just makes it more enjoyable. And especially when people start revving at you and wow, how are we going this slow? But when people start revving at you and you just hit it with a flame map, or people are driving too slow in front of you and you just hit it. Yeah, get out of my way, G. You like that? Yeah, babe. I showed him. That's right. And that's why you get tuned. That's why you get a flame mat and hit the robot while driving. Let's just continue the video back in the house, babe. Go, do the hand thing. Go. We made it. We're alive. So what do you think though? Like, is it worth it to straight pipe the car? Like, is the fun to loud ratio make it more worth it, or are you still kind of annoyed? You're smiling like it's still kind of annoying.
Yeah, like it's fun. It's just annoying, but you do have a lot of fun with it.
The drone, man. Oh my god. The drone can be bad. Just depends. When you're at 80 miles per hour, for some reason, it's like a perfect sweet spot with the RPMs and the Z at least, that it's not too bad. But I definitely do play music so that way like the drone doesn't give me headaches sometimes. And I'm just being honest with you guys. Like, the straight piping the Z, the drone can be a little bit annoying. Around 60 miles per hour, not that bad at all. 40, I don't know. It's just, I don't know what it is. It's just, there's certain sweet spots in the RPMs with the Z that it either sounds really nice or it just sounds really obnoxious. So we're gonna end the video because again, I just wanted to kind of quickly, man, the GoPro is like just fudges my hair up. I just wanted to quickly do this video because a lot of people did ask, and look, get in here, bro. But ew, you're sweaty.
You're sweaty.
Thank you guys for watching the videos. If you guys liked the video, just make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Is your Z or your car in general straight piped? How do you feel about it? Because I love reading your opinion. So as always, guys, I don't even know.